Hi, it's William Young. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to I think it's this whole series of video. I'm going to give you a brief introduction of this MIDI keyboard and you can say that mini keyboard or MIDI. Basically, it's the tool that I just bought, but they have never gotten the time to actually learn it. And I really love to learn about composing and write songs and write music, and then I actually learn music theory, but I did not have time. Right now, I want sort of push myself into you have to progress day by day. You have to learn, okay, have to improve. So that's the reason I start this series. I'm beginner, a disclaimer here. So I want to share what I learned, and if you want to follow along, you're more than welcome to do that. So what I'm going to do is to first introduce you guys to this mini play. It's a MPK mini play, AKAI professional. I don't know whether I pronounced it correctly. It's just jack this USB, and because although this MIDI keyboard can actually produce some sound, we got like a little mic here, but that sound doesn't work good. So what I'm going to do is to use the USB and plug that into my pad here, and I just open GarageBand, and so the sound's actually coming from GarageBand, and the sound's much nicer. Okay, so let me show you. Yeah, I can even switch on the sustain. So this is like a MIDI input device. Yeah, this works pretty good. Okay, so yeah, basically this series is more like an introduction of composing, music theory, and how to use MIDI to write songs, and just sort of like share my experience and share what I learned, and hopefully help you guys. Okay, so yeah, today I learned that we got like 12 notes repeatedly appear in the music theory. So basically it's just A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then A, B repeat. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. That's the point. So basically, it's a repetition of this. Okay, so it's a repetition of this. So it's A and high A of a higher octave. Okay. And if you find a keyboard on the piano or whatever, you always start with a C. So the middle C is here, okay? And strangely, it does not start from A. So you always find the C first at the middle of the keyboard and find this this is like a pattern, okay? 2 black key and 3 black keys. You find this 2 black key and the left white key, it will be the C. Okay, and then you find this and you go left reverse, because this is C, like a middle C here, left, so C, B, A. So you find this A and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, because this is like a repetition. Okay, so you find the repetition and you have got all of the key on your pockets. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And then if you think about this, it's really simple one. It's a music theory and all the notes and all this name is not daunting at all. You just need to be, if you're a beginner like me, you just need to be slow. Okay, don't rush it. Okay, so it's C, and then you find C, B, A. Okay, and then A and B. What's in between? We got the black key here. So A and B. What's in between is the sharp or it's a flat. Okay, so basically it's a higher higher half step and a lower half step. By the way, A and B, this is one whole step or tone. So this is a half step. Okay, so or semitone. That depends on where you are. Yeah. if you think this is like a person like walking here one like step at a time, and this will be half step and then a whole step. Okay, so A and B, whole step, and then half step or semitone. And then you can say this is A sharp. Okay, so this is a half tone higher. You can say A sharp or B flat. So B down a little bit. Okay, so A and B was in between, A sharp or B flat. So A sharp or A, B flat. Okay, and B and C sharp. Okay, semitone higher. Okay, C sharp or C D. So D flat. Okay, C sharp and D sharp. Okay, A B C D E and E, C D E, E flat or C D sharp. Okay, C D E and F sharp, G flat. Okay, so it's just the same thing. Higher higher semitone or lower semitone, it's the same thing. Just a different just way of indicating the same thing. So C D E F G and then repeat. Okay, G sharp or A flat. Okay, and because you got A lower octave and higher octave A, and then you got a whole pattern, and then yeah. And by the way, if you're using the exact same MIDI keyboard like me, you can use this. I believe we can get this like octave here. Okay, so because MIDI is for composing, so it's when say you're traveling, you just got this MIDI and got this iPad, got GarageBand or whatever software that is installed, and you want to quickly do things. You don't need to bring the whole piano or whole like 88 keyboard. If you look at here, just got like really, I think it's like approximately the same size as iPads. Okay, yeah, exactly the same size. Oh my gosh, or maybe a little bit wider, maybe 1 or 2 centimeters wider. Yeah. So it does not because it's unnecessary to like repeat all the key unless you're like actually performing. But if you're like write songs, you don't need that. So you can lower octave or higher octave. So what about higher? So you can higher. That's the that's when you go here. Okay, then you can go on like a half of the keyboard higher. Then you can even higher. Yeah, that's the point. Okay, so you can go in reverse. Then you can lower octave. Go back to, so it's like the original default setup. And of course you can lower octave. I don't need to like repeat everything. I just want to show you that it's doable. Lower octave. Yeah, I believe it's low enough. It does not have a like red light lighting up, so it's like the default setting. So that's really convenient. And we got this like pad here that you can hit. It's really interesting. We will talk about that if you want like composing like drum beat or something like that. Okay, so I think that's pretty much all for this video. Okay, thanks guys. And I know I have been recording things about music for a pretty long time because I'm extremely busy, and then I have to like make a living by updating my digital art as well as the programming channel, because I was a programmer in finance firms, and then go back to digital art. But recently I tried to develop games, indie games, and I don't have the budget to hire someone to write songs for me. So but I'm like a control freak. So I have to like control everything and create everything like from scratch. So that's the reason why I start from scratch and learn music theory and try to learn a bit about composing and try to express what I'm feeling through music. So yeah, so if you think my video is helpful, or if you want to see more of this kind of format of videos, do please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, thanks, bye. And I got another like multiple channels. If you can go to I believe go to the YouTube's my channel's homepage, and you click this other channels, you can subscribe if you're interested in visual art or the game developing, app developing. Okay, thanks, bye.